Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0644S in color code 001. The color of the frame is silver, and the lenses are solid gray. And these glasses are a rimless square shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. And you'll find stars going around the face of the frame. The temples are silver, and you'll find crystals on its temple and the GG Gucci emblem in gold. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And on the inside of his nose pads, you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in silver. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 56 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag also with the Gucci logo in gold, and a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.